a very important topic of English, which is speech. Now, speech are of two types, a direct speech and an indirect speech, and we must understand and we must know how to convert a speech from direct form to an indirect form, and even vice versa, that is from indirect form to direct form. So before conversion of these speeches, we should first know that what is a direct speech and what is an indirect speech. A direct speech is the speech, or it is a statement given directly by the person who is speaking. Like I say, Rahul says, I am going to school. Now, I am going to school is said by Rahul, and as it is, I am imposing that statement, which means that it is my direct speech. But when I say Rahul says that he was going to school, now that sentence is said by Rahul, but it is conveyed by a third person. Rahul is not directly saying. Rahul has said that sentence or that statement to some person, and now that person is conveying the message on behalf of Rahul. So that sentence becomes my indirect sentence, and the speech is referred to as indirect. Now, in this video, we will be understanding how to convert an indirect speech to direct speech, and when that speech contains an exclamation. So, indirect speech to direct speech using exclamatory mark. So, for that, we first understand what exclamation is. Now, exclamation or exclamatory words are all those words which are used to express a sudden feeling of a person. That feeling can be of joy, it can be of sorrow, it can be anger, it can be surprise, it can be some cheerful moment because some cheerful action has been performed or some happy event has taken place. So all these words, when used in sentences, are referred to as exclamatory words. Now, for example, when I say Rahul exclaimed with joy that he has won the match. Now remember that whenever we are making use of exclamatory words, then for indirect sentences, exclaimed will always occur with and followed by the feeling. Joy is actually a feeling, and that feeling is considered to be happy. Joy is a feeling that is considered to be happy. Exclaimed with. Whenever exclaimed with is written, it means that our sentence is in indirect form. So this is my indirect speech. This is my indirect speech. Why? Because that is also occurring. That we know is always in indirect speech. Also remember that whenever we are making use of indirect speech, the exclamatory words will not be used. Exclamatory words are like hooray, yippee, cheers, alas. All these are exclamatory words. Exclamatory words are not used in indirect speech. They are always used for the direct speech. And the exclamatory mark. This is referred to as an exclamatory mark. Even this exclamatory mark is not used in indirect speech. Indirect speech is always in the form of a simple sentence which is followed by a full stop. But an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamatory mark. The word ends with exclamatory mark. So, for conversion of direct speech, we will remove the full stop and we will make our sentence as an exclamatory sentence. So, when I change into exclamatory sentence, I will say Rahul said, comma, and inverted commas begin. Why do we begin our inverted commas? Because the statement which is made by a person, it is a clear statement without any modification. that statement will always be within inverted commas, and any statement which is within inverted commas is referred to as a direct speech. So, exclaimed with joy, whenever we are exclaiming with joy, we will use the words like yay, yippee, hooray, or cheers. Cheers is used for celebration, and yay, yippee, they are all used for happiness, for expressing our happiness of winning something or of achieving something. Here, he has achieved something, he has won the match. So I will say, hooray, I won the match. Has won changes to my present perfect, right? I won the match. That he has won the match, I won the match. Another example can be Sia exclaimed with sorrow that she had hurt herself. Sia exclaimed with sorrow that she had hurt herself. Now again, exclaimed with sorrow. What feeling am I getting over here? Here the feeling was happy, but here when I am saying exclaimed with sorrow, the feeling over here expresses some kind of sadness. And whenever a sad feeling occurs, for that I will be using alas as my exclamatory word. So here, Sia said, alas, because in direct speech I will always make use of the exclamatory words. I will say, alas, I have hurt myself. Also remember, herself will change to myself because here there is no modification in the sentence. A direct sentence which is spoken by Sia will be categorized under the inverted commas. She will change to I because Sia is a lady, and herself will change to myself. Since this is exclaimed with sorrow means that an exclamatory sentence will be formed. So alas, I have hurt myself. In this way, I have converted my indirect speech to. This is my direct speech. My exclamation has not changed. Yes, in indirect speech we do not make use of exclamatory words, but in direct speech we do make use of exclamatory words like alas, hooray. We can say cheers, yippee, yay, or I can say wow. Wow is also, or go away. Go away is also an exclamatory word. So there are n number of exclamatory words depending upon the situation, depending upon the feeling of the person who was speaking the statement. We can make use of different exclamatory words. So in this video we have understood the usage of direct and indirect speech, and then we've also discussed the conversion of indirect speech in exclamatory form to direct speech in exclamatory form. Then we've also understood that how the pronouns change, how the statement changes, and in indirect form we make use of inverted commas. In indirect form, no usage of inverted commas is required. Instead, we make use of the helping verb, that is that acts as a connector. But in direct speech, we do not make use of that. Instead, we make use of commas and place the statement within the inverted commas.